Hey everyone, let's dive into how the weather in the US is changing, because it's happening fast.
Get this, on average, we're now seeing a billion-dollar weather disaster once every 3 weeks.
To see how wild that is, back in the 80s, it was only one every 4 months.
This quote really says it all. Our communities were built for a climate that just isn't here anymore.
So what's going on? Well, since 1970, the US has been warming about 60% faster than the planet. And you can see it right here. These maps show huge temperature and precipitation shifts since last century.
So you get this pattern. The east is getting wetter while the southwest is getting drier. And look at the northeast, a whopping 60% increase in the heaviest downpours. That's huge.
Okay, so these are big numbers. But what does it all actually mean for us?
Well, it means this: 18 separate billion-dollar disasters hitting the US in just a single year.
And it's not just the big disasters. Notice how warm nights are on the rise pretty much everywhere.
And those warmer nights are a big deal. Our bodies can't cool down, which is a serious health risk.
It's not just heat. Even something as classic as Tornado Alley is starting to shift.
Tornado activity is actually down in the classic Western Alley, but it's up 12% in the east.
And that eastward shift has real consequences, because you have more people living in these areas.
You can even see this change in your own backyard. The USDA had to update its plant hardiness maps.
Yep, average winter lows are up 2.5 degrees. That completely changes what farmers and gardeners can grow.
So looking ahead, what we do now really matters. And these maps show us the potential paths.
The takeaway here? Every bit of global warming means an even bigger temperature jump right here in the US.
So our weather has definitely changed. The real question is, how are we going to adapt to what's next?